So, making money on YouTube. So, how to make money on YouTube? That's for a lot of people who want to know. Well, you have to upload a lot, and you have to make a lot of views, let's be honest. So what happened to me when I started my channel? I even asked, I wasn't sure should I monetize or no. I wasn't sure if it's gonna be good looking for people or this guy is monetizing or not. And people told me, it's all up to you, it's your channel. You want a little bit of extra cash, why not, no? So I said, okay, I'm gonna monetize. It took me 9 months to actually make 60 pounds, which is 4,000 pesos. 9 months. Because in UK it's a minimum of 60 pounds. In US it's $100. In the Philippines it's $100. So 60 pounds, yeah. 9 months. The second time it took me 9 months again. The third time I think it took me 6 months, then 6 months. Lately, so I was almost at every month. Without even making with my main channel, I don't even make 60 pounds a month. I make way less. But the way I was doing it, so a few years ago, my wife basically asked me to search some stuff online about when you are traveling. Do you know about the hotel, this hotel? Do you know about you know, in an airport, for example? How many, you know, do you know how many shops are open at that time? And I was like, no, I have no clue, you know. Let me Google it. And after, you know what? Let me check on YouTube. Couldn't find anything. So what I've done, I decided to just everything I couldn't find on YouTube, I will put it myself. So at 5 in the morning in London airport in Gatwick, what shop are open or what it look like at 5 in the morning. So I'll make a video, I'll post it online. That make 15,000 views. That make $2, for example. I don't remember how much. But things like that, changing my clock, changing the time on a CBR 125. I couldn't find any video. I saw the manual, but it was shit. So I just started to make a video about it. And I explain people how to do. Shit. I just start to explain people how to do it. And I start to make video about anything. Coming from going to an hotel, how the room look like, going to an airport. I think I have Zurich airport as a video. That video makes $30. I think it's $30. Is it $30 or $35? And he was a 4-minute video. Just go down the airport and coming back, and he make around $30. Just he took me 4 minutes to make that video, 1 hour to upload, and 2 minutes to edit. It, you know, it can be simple as that sometimes. And I have a lot of video when I put them and I make no money. So on those videos, on those channels that I create, I didn't think it's gonna be like that at all. I post them to share at first to people, you know, how the airport look like in the morning or this or that. And then it start to make money and I was like, fuck, oh really? I can make money with this? Okay, then let's make, no? So I have I think it was 6 channels. I only have 3 of them. They would make like $10 a month. But then all of them combined, I almost get the minimum of $60, 60 pounds a month, 4,000 pesos a month from YouTube. But then now they just cut it off. No, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you cannot monetize. So that channel, all those channels make $10 a month. They have way less 1,000 subscribers. So how do you want me to make any video? I cannot make how do you want me to make any money from that? Or cannot make? So now half of my revenue on YouTube is gone. So I only have I want Manila, which is totally fine because I don't do this for money. Actually, the first time that I get my 60, actually in London for 3 years, I will live. Huh? What? Left? Okay. In London for 3 years, I never touched my YouTube money, and here's why. I used to give it to my wife. She sent it to the Philippines, and every month I actually give 1,000 pesos every month. But if you think about it, it takes me 9 months to get 4,000 pesos, right? So I just give it to my wife every time, but then I'll never use it because I'm actually losing money basically, which was fine. Basically, you know, I helped the kids, my wife, niece and nephew, who not lucky as some other kids, so we just help them like that. But I never touched my YouTube money. Only when I came here and I started to have a little bit more, I used to get every 2 months or something like that. Then I used to, you know, use it to change some part of my radar. You see my mirror and my mirror, my grip, my lever are from YouTube money. What did I change? I changed my GoPro. I sold my Hero 3 Silver, and I added my YouTube money to it, and 2,000 pesos from my own pocket, and then that's how I buy a new camera. You know, it's never been about making money, because in London, the 60 pesos, 60 pounds in London, you actually not even half day for me. Well, half day basically. Half day of work, that's 60 pounds. So what I get in every 9 months, I just have to work 1 extra day, and I make much more than on YouTube, no? Than breaking my balls to make video 4 times a week. So I never done that for the money. But then if the money comes, then if you can get a little bit, you know, as G-Mac told me, this is gas money, you know. It's fine, this is gas money. Now I just use it, you know. I still give a little bit to my wife, nephew and things. Like last time we actually done the feedings with the kids. We spent 4,500 pesos to feed well, it was actually less than 50, but we plan to make like 75 portions, so we actually give it to other people also. And 75 portion with chicken, spaghetti and some juice, you know, it cost us like 4,500 pesos. Yeah, it's, you know, it's the way it is. But YouTube always been, you know, like a hobby for me, and I don't think I will actually make a, you know, make a job, even if I make a lot of money from it. If tomorrow you give me if I make 100,000 pesos from YouTube, I would not make it as a job, because it wouldn't be the same, you know. You don't appreciate it anymore. You just, yeah, you're doing this for a job, so it's different. But yeah, you can make money on YouTube. It's just the way you do it. You need to be smart. If you really want to make a lot of money on YouTube, or any monthly money, you need to upload daily. It's the truth now. You need to upload daily, always, and you need to have minimum view of X amount of view to actually make. You know, I have some video when I make 80,000 views, when I make $10 from that video. You okay? You okay? Why, it's not me, everyone is slowing down. Sorry. So I have some video when I make 80,000 views, when I make $10, and I have some video when I make 110,000 views, and I make $1, or not even $1. It's very, very weird the way it works. It's never the same. You can have video and make 1,000 views and make $2, and one video when you make 25,000 views and make zero, make 50p. It's really it's not the same all the time, and it really depends on where you people watching it. You see, people in the Philippines, I want people in the Philippines watch them, you know, most likely, and that's what happened right now. I got 75% of my viewers from Philippines, and it's good. But if your viewer from Philippines, then you don't make any money. But if all your viewers from America, you make a lot of money, because the CPR, they call this the CPR, is higher in a rich country, basically. So yeah, but yeah, you can make money on YouTube, but it's pocket money, you know what I mean? It's really pocket money. It's not something that's gonna last, or you're gonna make a living of it. Even if you make $100 a month, how much is $100 a month? 5,000 pesos. Can you live out of 5,000 pesos? I mean, if I get 5,000 pesos a month, I'll be happy, don't get me wrong. I'll probably save it at some point and buy a bike after 1 year, you know. I mean, that will help, obviously, you know, but it's not something that you can actually quit your job unless you have X amount of subscribers, and then you make a lot of views per video. And you also have brand deal, you know. For example, there's a cheaper GoPro brand who called me one day, and they wanted me to put the link insert of my video before they send me a camera for free. But the camera worth like 4,000, 5,000 pesos. I'm like, why don't you give me the camera? I'll make a review out of it, no? So it'll be much better. And then they were like, no, you need to put our link to sell the camera so we can send it to you. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. It's not my style, man. You send me a camera, I'll make an honest review out of it. Then I'll give the camera away to my subscriber, no? But not like, yeah, not like that. But that's the way, you know, there's a lot of deals also with brand. People make money with deal. I'm not really familiar with this. You know, if people come, then I will. If brand come and ask me, I will consider. But it's not why I do this. You know, I'd like to try more bike though. Make review out of motorcycle is actually a good way of making money on YouTube. If you can review all the motorcycle you want, it'd be great. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Don't quit your daily job if you want to make YouTube video and make money. Don't quit.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my